Is CEELIKE Hydroxyapatite Toothpaste a natural fluoride-free solution to stronger, wired teeth, or all just marketing hype? Let's dive into what's real and what's questionable. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, what we found from the official site info, CEELIKE promotes a fluoride-free toothpaste powered by nano hydroxyapatite or NHA, claiming it strengthens enamel, reduces sensitivity, widens teeth, and supports gum health. They even offer tablets with 5% NHA content. Also, some users enjoy reduced sensitivity and a gentle clean, yet many note packaging seems generic and there's no proof of manufacturing transparency and safety certifications. And lastly, ingredient dosage unclear and signs backing NHA, which study shows nanohydroxapatite can indeed help remineralize enamel and reduce sensitivity, though fluoride remains the gold standard. Efficacy depends on proper dosage. For the final verdict, CEELIKE looks like a legitimate entrant in the growing hydroxyapatite toothpaste market, but its lack of dosage transparency, missing certifications, and mixed user reports make it hard to fully trust. If you want to save fluoride-free oral healthcare and are cautious about NHA, consider reputable brands like Boca, Ricewell, or Apagard, which openly state their NHA concentrations and have stronger third-party validations. Have you tried CEELIKE or another NHA toothpaste? Share your experience below. If this review helped, like and subscribe for more honest, research-based breakdowns.